I'm Anshika, an AI-enabled BI intern at TBI-GEU, working on my capstone project on essential oils and aromatic plant extraction. This is my month-1 reflection video where I will be sharing three key things I learned in weeks 1 to 4. One major challenge I faced and how I solved it, and my goals for the remaining weeks of this program. So let's begin with the learning one, SQL and data foundations. The first major thing I learned was SQL from the ground up. In week 2, I wrote 10 structured SQL queries on a custom essential oils database covering select, where, group by, having, inner, join, left join, and subqueries. I also solved the SQL murder mystery challenge by chaining multiple queries together to identify the culprit Jeremy Bowers and the mastermind Miranda Priestley. This taught me how to think in data layers and how real business questions translate into SQL logic. My learning too is about Python EDA and data visualization. The second major learning was building a full exploratory data analysis pipeline in Python using pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. In week 3, I produced 5 chart types: a line chart, bar chart, scatter plot, pie chart, and heat map, each answering a specific business question about essential oil pricing and extraction methods. I also wrote 150-word visual narratives explaining each chart's business implications. This helped me understand that a chart is only as good as the story it tells. Now, my learning 3 is about interactive BI dashboard. The third learning was building a real interactive dashboard using Tableau Public. In week 4, I connected a 620-row essential oils dataset, built 3 chart types with cross filtering, added a KPI scorecard, and published it with a public link that anyone can access. The dashboard showed total revenue of Rs 1.09 billion, Africa as the top sourcing region, and steam distillation as the dominant extraction method. This was the most practical deliverable I have built so far. Now, what were the challenges and how I solved it? My biggest challenge this month was with MySQL and Looker Studio. MySQL kept failing to start with 1067 on Windows 11, and after multiple reinstall attempts, I switched to SQLite on SQLiteonline.com, which let me complete all my week 2 SQL work without losing time. Then, in week 4, Looker Studio kept throwing a system error for anonymous users even after fixing date, field types, and data source permissions. After troubleshooting for hours, I switched to Tableau Public, which resolved the issue immediately and gave me a clearer, more reliable public dashboard. This taught me that in real BI work, tool flexibility and problem solving matter as much as technical skill. Talking about my goals for weeks 5 to 9. Looking ahead, my goals for the remaining weeks are: first, to deepen my understanding of BI strategy by studying how Indian companies like Swiggy and Flipkart use data at scale. Second, to build more advanced dashboards with predictive elements and automated KPI alerts. Third, to complete my capstone project with a full end-to-end BI solution for the essential oils domain, covering data collection, cleaning, analysis, visualization, and strategic recommendation. I am excited to keep building and learning. Thank you for watching.